be on YouTube.
No, but look, it's filming in a minute. You gotta get out. Well, can you stand on there then? Because we're using the whole. No, get out. No, because we're using that bit. You just get out. Because I'm doing something. We can't watch. No, get out!
Can you talk American? I've got your recordings on my phone. I'm gonna put them on YouTube. Where you singing and you go, my $20 bill, my $20 bill.
Somebody go in front of the webcam on. Hello, people of the world. Here are special guests, Marley May Lacey and Georgia Westwood. Anyway, I'm going to be teaching you how to reload a nerf gun.
I'm Josh, what are you doing?
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello, I would say that.
Get out.
Hello! Shotgun! Gonna hold the cat. Pull it back. Put this in. Put this in. Then you fire an enemy like so. That's how you shoot. Now if you want to do a headshot, you just reload again like so. Put back on. Then you shoot
At your target.
No, Molly, I need to see you.
Unfortunately, that was
Sorry.
not a headshot.
We gotta go for now. Bye.